Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my vlog. Today, as I promised, after the holiday I'll be showing you me fitting up about my engine. And as I showed in the previous video, that I've gotten the parts that I was waiting on all this time, and you see my engine is still out and all of that. So today I'll be taking some time to start putting the engine back together, and then I guess see how far I get to. I am not going to be saying much in my video today because I'm not really feeling well. This whole flu is smashing me up. My nose, everything just, I'm not even feeling well, but I just need to start getting this engine up, and since the holidays pass, I'm going to be doing that. But thank you guys for joining me. I've always appreciate you guys joining in on the video, however little bit you are, just to show you what I'm doing. So thanks again. Alright guys, so the first thing I want to do here is disassemble back this, because I just stack it down just to make sure that it's spinning, it's having the right bearings. What I'm going to be doing now, this is the rebuild kit. However, I had was too bad. What is this now? This is a plastic gauge, guys. So what I'll be doing now is disassembling back this. I tack it down, but I'm going to disassemble it back and now use my plastic gauge on each of the main bearings to make sure that I have the right clearance for the bearings for the oil to clear, right? As I said, I won't be talking much in this video, so just if you guys can just follow along, or if I can do some voiceover afterward, I'll do that. But I'm just gonna go through. But just for the record, I've already gone through the set of bearings that I bought and fill them in and change out and stuff like that. So right now I'm just going to be pulling back the engine, the block, take out back the crankshaft, make sure it's clean and nice, and then use the proper lube on it, on each of the journal, and replacing back the bearings in the same order. And then I shall be putting a little silicone around it and then tack down back again. Then I'll be putting in the remaining set of bolts right along the bearing cap. Alright guys, alright, so I don't really need this right now. As I'm looking here, I'm seeing all the seals in this kit. I don't really need them right now. What I do need is this plastic gauge. I need this plastic gauge, and then I'll be pulling back these. Now, to get the, that you have to hold this block properly. So time to assemble the crankshaft now into the main. What I'll be doing, I'll be touching a little oil on each of the bearing. Make sure that you have a clean thing applying these oil. I don't want to plaster it too much because this oil is very thick, and this oil stays on there. Not a lot on this, guys. You just basically want to put a little bit there, which I'm going to be using something to flatten it out, because as I say, you don't really need a lot here. I'm just going to put it down first, and I use something just to flatten it out. What happens, you really don't want to have your oil sweating all over your engine after you're up and running. So this is the reason why you're going to be putting these silicones just in the areas that is going to be touching the block and the cap.